Hi, welcome to my review of the Learning Resources Gears. I think it's called Monkey Madness. Loads going on in this set. So this is it completely assembled. It took me probably about 15-20 minutes or so, with the kids going mad for it though, so not full concentration because they were really keen for it to be built. And I think it's brilliant, personally. Really well made. Oh, there's the handle there. So you can see, I should go there actually. So you can see that's rather stiff, so I just put quite a lot of force on that, like a child would do. It's managed to stay in place securely. There's plenty going on, and the good thing about this is the setup that the instructions tell you how to make. You can do plenty of your own designs, and my children can't wait to make some more designs. They learn so much from this. As you can see, the plastic is really well made. Really good quality. Spins flawlessly. Not much effort is required to turn it, so it's good for the younger ones. And all of it comes apart really easily, so they can just think of new designs, new ways to do things. These squares come apart really easily. Me trying to do it with one hand though. There we go. Got there in the end. Easier with hands. And then you can just slot them back in different locations easily. And the trees, they all come apart. There you go on these things here. There's a lot of parts when you're putting it together initially. So you could do something like this. Take that off. And put it like this, probably. And do something completely different. I don't know. Loads to do. Children will figure it out. It's a really big set. And I believe there's lots of other things in the range of the gears. So I'd imagine they could all join together. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please read my review. Hopefully it's helpful.
Okay, this is our favorite toy so far. It's wonderful. I love the amount of pieces it comes with.
Mom, need octopus gears.
We need octopus gears. Clearly we'll be getting more. So definite win. Definite favorite. So strongly recommend.